Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure battery is above 50% and USB debugging is enabled. Connect the phone to your PC and open a terminal where ADB is installed. Once connected, run a DB devices to confirm the phone appears. If it does not, install proper drivers. Next, place the MIUI recovery image for your exact Poco model into the ADB folder. Now you will reboot the device into bootloader, so you can flash or sideload the recovery image. You now flash or sideload the recovery image. Reboot to bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader and verify fastboot devices shows your phone. If flashing, run fastboot flash recovery. IMG and wait until it reports success. Do not interrupt. Alternatively, boot stock recovery and choose apply update via ADB, then use a DB sideload update. Zip. Once recovery is written, reboot into recovery to verify. Make sure to have backups if you use fastboot W, because that will wipe user data. You finish by booting the device into recovery and confirming the main menu appears with install, wipe, advanced, and reboot options. Once done, restore any backups as needed and perform a factory reset only if required. If the main menu fails to load, recheck that the recovery image matches your model, reinstall drivers, try another USB cable or port, and repeat flashing. If problems persist, collect fastboot or ADB logs, and consider using EDL mode with authorized tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.